Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Tutor. So in this video I will show you guys how to change alarm sound on Android. So let's get started today's video. So first of all you have to go on clock app, and after you can go to alarm option and click on the alarm which you want to change the sound. Just tap on it, and here you can see the ringtone option. Just tap on it and you can select any of the ringtone on this which you want to like. That's it. If this video is helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.